So from exercise 5.2, so this is the sixth question. Exercise 5.2, sixth question. Find the dimensions of a rectangle whose perimeter is 28 meters and whose area is 40 square meters. Find the dimensions of a rectangle whose perimeter is 28 meters and whose area is 40 square meters. So here we need to find the dimensions of a rectangle. Dimensions are nothing but the length and breadth we are going to find out. So according from what is given, perimeter of the rectangle is given as 28 meters and area of the rectangle is given as 40 square meter. So let us assume the length of the let us assume the length of the rectangle as L. Let the length of the rectangle be L meters. And let the breadth of the rectangle be B meters. Now, according to the problem, perimeter of the rectangle is given as 28 meters. So we have the formula for perimeter of the rectangle as 2 times L plus B. So 2 times L plus B value is equal to 28. So L plus B equals 28 divided by 2. So L plus B value will be equal to 2 times 1 and 2 times 14. So here we got the value as L plus B as 14. So from here we can get the value of L as 14 minus B. So this L value we will take and substitute in the area of the rectangle. Given area of the rectangle as area of the rectangle is 40 square meters. So area is L, length into breadth is equal to 40. L value is 14 minus B times B is equal to 40. So 14 into B minus B into B. 14 into B minus B into B is equal to 40. 14 into B is 14B minus B square is equal to 40. Now I am going to shift all these terms towards the right side. So B square minus 14B plus 40 is equal to 0. Now here we can find the value of B. Again, this is a quadratic equation in B. So here by the method of factorization we can find the value of b, that is, so b square 10 factor 40 factors are 10 and 4. So if I take minus 10b minus 4b, so minus 10b minus 4b will give minus 14b. That means if you add or subtract you are going to get the middle term. And so minus 10b times minus 4b is plus 40b square. So the factors of 40b square are minus 10b and minus 4b. So b square minus 14b plus 4b minus 10b minus 4b. So we will get b square minus 10b minus 4b plus 40 equals 0. So here we can take b common, b minus 10. Here I can take minus 4 common, b minus 10 is equal to 0. So the values of b minus 4 and b minus 10 are the factors. So the values of b are b equals 4 and b equals to 10. If b is equal to 4, then L value is equal to 14 minus b. L is 14 minus b. So the L value will be 14 minus 4. In place of b I am substituting the value. So L value will be 10. If b is 4, the L value will be 10. If b is 10, L value will be equal to 10 minus 4, 10 minus 14 minus b. So L value will be equal to 14 minus b. So L value is equal to 14 minus 10, which is equal to L is equal to 4 meters. So if b is 4, L value is 10. If breadth is 10, L length will be 4 meters. Therefore the dimensions of the rectangle are dimensions therefore the dimensions of the rectangle are 10 meters and 4 meters, or 4 meters or 10. Now moving to the seventh question. Seventh question. The base of a triangle is 4 meters longer than its altitude. If the area of the triangle is 48 square centimeter, find its base and altitude. So the base of a triangle is 4 centimeters longer than its altitude. If the area of the triangle is is 48 square centimeter, find its base and altitude. Find its base and altitude. So the base of a triangle is 4 meters longer than its altitude. So the base of the triangle is dependent on the altitude. So let us assume the altitude as x. Let the altitude let the altitude of the triangle be x. Then base is 4 centimeters more than altitude. 4 centimeters more is nothing but we need to put a plus sign. So altitude is x plus 4. So base we got it as x plus 4 and altitude we have taken as x. Now what is given? Area of the triangle is 48 square centimeter. So given area of the triangle as 48 square centimeter. So area is given by half times base into height is the formula. Its value is equal to 48. So half times base is x and h value is x plus 4. Altitude is x. Base is x plus 4 and altitude is x is equal to 48. So we will get x plus 4 times x is equal to 48 times 2. So x into x will give x square plus 4 into x will give 4x is equal to 8 to 16. 1 carry 4 to 8, 9. So x square plus 4x minus 96 is equal to 0. Now here we got a quadratic equation. Now here we can find the roots of this quadratic equation by taking the factorization. So the first term will be multiplied with the last term. So the first term is x square times 96. So let us try to take the prime factorization. So 2, 4, 8, 2 times 2, 4, 2, 12, 2, 6, 2, 3, 3 times 1. Now here we are going to take the factors in such a way that if we add or subtract, we are going to get the middle term. So 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, and 3 times 2 6, 6 times 2 is 12. So this is 8 and this is 12 if you multiply, and 12 minus 8 will give you the middle terms 4x. So this 4x can be written as x square plus 12x minus 8x minus 96 is equal to 0. So I can take x common from here, x plus 12, okay, minus 8 I can take, x plus 12 is equal to 0. So we will get x minus 8 times x plus 12 is equal to 0. So the values of x are x is equal to 8 and x is equal to minus 12. So here we need to take the altitude as the positive one. So x value is equal to 8. So here we will get the altitude as altitude x is equal to 8. Don't take this negative 1. So altitude is 8. So base will be x 4 plus 8. So its value is 12 centimeter.